Today, not only am I doing a bad impression of Conan, we're also giving you healthy Halloween tricks and tips. And if you ask any kid what's their favorite part, I'm sure they'd agree with 7-year-old Taylor from San Juan Capistrano.
I love Halloween, especially the candy. But what happens if I go to bed without brushing my teeth after eating all this? My mom says I'll get cavities, but will I from just one night? Come on, it's Halloween!
And to help us answer Taylor's sweet question is orthodontist Dr. Yossi Barzian. Now, I have to imagine that Halloween is a scary time of year for anyone who deals with teeth.
Well, everybody thinks of Halloween or October 31st as the scariest night, but for orthodontists and dentists, November 1st is actually the scariest day. The real nightmare is the sticky candy.
Oh, it's for a pediatrician too. The rest of that week, kids tend to get sick because of all that sugar. And I just want to show you guys something. How many parents out there would let their kids eat this much sugar in one night? Well, let me keep going. What about this much?
Wait a minute. You're telling me
that's
how much kids eat sometimes?
In one take.
Are you kidding me?
Kids can collect up to 3 cups of sugar
in
one night of Halloween.
Night.
And oftentimes they eat a ton of this. And it just wreaks havoc with their bodies. But I'm curious, like the little girl on the video, just one night of no brushing, is it really that bad?
Well, let me show you. Everybody has bacteria in their mouth. And when you introduce sticky candy and sugar into the mix like this, the bacteria produces acid. And that acid removes calcium from the teeth, and that causes cavities.
So the sugar itself isn't what's so bad. It's the bacteria processing that sugar and making it acidic in your mouth?
Exactly right. So if you have your candy, you brush afterwards, no problem. But if you go to bed, don't brush your teeth, the bacteria and the sugar stays right on the teeth, producing that acid. And normally, the saliva, which typically neutralizes the acid and helps protect your teeth, is produced at much lower levels when you sleep. So not only is there less saliva, but also there's less movement. When you're awake, you're chewing, you're speaking, you're swallowing, and all that movement can get some of that plaque away from your teeth. When you're sleeping, the bacteria and the acid stay on the teeth, and it grows.
Just basically eroding.
Exactly, just eroding the teeth and just staying on there and causing cavities.